Let's talk a little bit about your assignment to write the introduction for a process analysis essay. Remember that the first part of that assignment and the main part of that assignment is supposed to be an ironic process analysis essay. Just like the one we read about the poor writing, your essay that you're writing the introduction for right now is supposed to be ironic. So you're making fun, or you're saying something trying to mean something else. What I've seen so far is I don't think people are doing that or seeing that part that says it's supposed to be ironic. So be aware of that as you write it. Other thing, no recipes. I had a couple people submit recipes. Those are processed, but they're not process analysis essay. Unless you're going to do an essay on how not to bake a cake well, something like that. But the main thing is you're just doing introduction. One thing I've seen so far, people are writing like the whole process in one paragraph. Look at the pages in our book, sections on how to write good introductions. Take a look at the example that I gave you from that poor writing essay. His introduction is only about 8 sentences. It's actually 2 sentences. His first one's like 5 to 7. But his thesis doesn't come until that second paragraph, which is only 2 sentences, where he talks about the steps. So remember that your introduction is also going to have a little thesis at the end of it too, the main point of the essay you're going to talk about later on. Right now you're just doing introduction. So be aware of that as you write your introduction assignment. It's supposed to be ironic. It's supposed to be short, at least no more than 8 sentences, 7 to 8 sentences. It's supposed to have your thesis at the end. We'll talk more about this as the class goes on. But this is one reason why I gave this first, because to me, in a way, writing an introduction is almost the hardest thing to do. When I write an essay, I start off writing an introduction just to get me started. But by the time I finish my essay, I usually change that introduction completely. So this is just the first step in our process of writing this paper. And if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later.